What is a hurricane? A hurricane is a giant storm that spins over the ocean. It is big, powerful, and full of strong winds and heavy rain. Hurricanes form over warm ocean water near the equator. Warm water gives them energy to start growing. Warm air rises from the ocean into the sky, leaving a low-pressure space below. This is the start of a hurricane. Cool air rushes in to fill the space left by the rising warm air. This keeps the storm growing and spinning. As the warm, moist air rises higher, it turns into huge dark storm clouds that keep building in the sky. A hurricane works like a giant engine. It uses warm, moist air for fuel instead of gas, growing bigger and stronger. Hurricanes spin in different directions. In the northern hemisphere, they spin counterclockwise. In the southern hemisphere, they spin clockwise. From space, a hurricane looks like a giant pinwheel spinning on the ocean. Astronauts can see the huge storm from above. Hurricanes can grow as wide as 300 miles. That is bigger than many countries. In the middle of a hurricane is the eye. The eye is calm and quiet while the storm rages all around it. Around the eye is the eye wall. This is where the hurricane has its strongest winds and heaviest rain. Rain bands spiral out from the eye wall. They are long lines of clouds that bring heavy rain and gusty winds far from the center. Hurricanes are divided into 5 categories based on their wind speed. Category 1 is the weakest, and Category 5 is the strongest. Categories 3, 4, and 5 are the most dangerous. These hurricanes can cause major damage to homes, trees, and roads. Hurricane winds can reach over 250 kilometers
per hour.
That is faster than race cars and can move cars and heavy objects. The fastest hurricane winds ever recorded were over 480 kilometers per hour. That is incredibly powerful. Hurricanes release energy equal to 10 atomic bombs every second. They are nature's most powerful storms. Hurricanes in the Pacific Ocean are called typhoons. In the Indian Ocean, they are called cyclones. They are all the same type of storm. Typhoons are giant spinning storms, just like hurricanes. They happen in the Pacific Ocean and bring strong winds, heavy rain, and big waves. People in Asia watch them carefully every year. Cyclones are another name for hurricanes, but they happen in the Indian Ocean. They can flood coasts, move trees, and make huge waves crash on the shore. Hurricanes have names like Katrina, Andrew, or Sandy. These names help people remember and track storms each year. Hurricanes weaken when they move over land or cold water. Without warm water, they lose energy and slow down. Hurricane season in the Atlantic is from June to November. That is when storms are most likely to form. The Caribbean, Gulf of Mexico, and U.S. East Coast get many hurricanes every year. Other parts of the world also have giant storms. In the Pacific, they are called typhoons. In the Indian Ocean, they are called cyclones. The biggest storm ever recorded was Typhoon Tip in 1979. It was the largest hurricane ever measured. The strongest hurricane ever recorded was Hurricane Patricia in 2015. Its winds were incredibly fast. Some famous hurricanes include Katrina in 2005 and Harvey in 2017. They caused major damage and made news worldwide. Hurricane Katrina hit New Orleans, Louisiana, and parts of Mississippi. It caused huge flooding when the levees broke, and many people had to evacuate their homes. Hurricane Harvey struck Houston, Texas, bringing record-breaking rain and massive flooding. Many homes and roads were completely underwater. Hurricanes push ocean water onto land. This is called a storm surge. It can flood beaches and towns. Flooding is one of the most dangerous parts of a hurricane. Water can move fast and wash away everything in its path. Hurricanes also bring thunder, lightning, and sometimes even tornadoes. They can be very noisy and stormy. Hurricanes can last for days or even weeks. They keep moving and spinning until they run out of energy. Hurricanes are much bigger than tornadoes, but they usually move more slowly. Hurricanes can also bring heavy rain and strong winds over a wide area. Some hurricanes are so large they can cover entire countries as they spin across the ocean and land. Hurricanes affect animals like turtles, birds, and fish. They must find safe places until the storm passes. Hurricanes can change forests and beaches. Trees can fall, and sand can move from beaches into towns. After a hurricane, communities rebuild schools, homes, and towns. People work together to stay safe and recover. People prepare for hurricanes by boarding up windows, stacking sandbags, and making a safety plan. Sometimes families must leave their homes and go to emergency shelters to stay safe during a hurricane. Scientists track hurricanes using satellites and radar to see where they are going and how strong they are. Brave pilots called hurricane hunters fly into the eye of the storm to study it and collect important data. Computers help predict where hurricanes will go, so people can get warnings and prepare in time. Warning signs of a hurricane include dark skies, strong winds, and rising ocean waves. Watch the weather closely. Sirens and alerts warn people in danger zones. Listen carefully and get ready to stay safe. Safety tip: go to a basement or a small safe room inside your house. Stay away from windows. Do not stay in cars or near windows during a hurricane. They are very dangerous in strong winds. Keep a safety kit ready with food, water, a flashlight, and a first aid kit. It helps during emergencies. Bring pets inside and keep them safe too. They need protection, just like people. Schools practice storm drills with kids. They learn how to hide under desks or go to safe areas quickly. Hurricane myths versus facts. Opening windows does not help. Hurricanes do not suck people up. Fun experiment. Make a mini hurricane in a bowl or bottle to see how air and water spin together. After the storm, the skies clear, rainbows shine, and communities grow stronger together.